Hey everyone, system design interviews can feel like climbing Mountain Everest. It's complex, intimidating, and time pressured. But guess what? With the right process, you can turn them into your secret weapon. Today's I'm breaking down 7-step framework to ace system design interviews. And I would say in any system design interviews, you may not have to use all the 7 steps, but you will use most of them. Whether you are designing your L shortener or a chat app, these steps will help you think like a senior engineer. Let's dive in. The first step, which you have to like is requirements clarifications. Like start by asking what's the problem we are solving. Like split requirements into functional and non-functional requirements. Functional, which is the core features like shorten your L's, retrieve them, etc. Non-functional requirements like scalability, latency, uptime, and things like that. Write them down. For example, functional requirements will be like user authentication, real-time updates. Non-functional requirements, for example, will be like 9% uptime and 100 milliseconds latency. Miss this step and your entire design could collapse later. Always align with the interviewer first. It's a pretty important. Step 2, capacity estimation. Crunch the numbers to understand scale. For chat application, for example, we have maybe 1 million daily active user, 100,000 concurrent user, maybe 10k messages per second, which will be like, I don't know, like 900 gigabytes or something like that. And you need to ask like how many requests per second we have, how much storage and bandwidth should we have. This step shows you are thinking about real world constraints, not just a theory. Step number 3, high level design. So now we need to sketch a high level design. Break the system into core components: clients, load balancers, app servers, databases, etc. For a URL shortener, maybe we have like a user submits a user URI, a load balancer routes traffic, app server generates a short code, database shorts the mapping. Keep it simple and add details later. Step number 4, design database or database design. Choose SQL or NoSQL based on needs. SQL database, structured data with relations, and NoSQL like Cassandra, scalability for unstructured data. Use also use a geospatial indexing for location-based apps. It's a pretty important. This one is a pro tip. Always design schemas around query patterns. Step number 5, interface design. Define API and protocols. For a video streaming app, for example, you will have like a post request slash upload, maybe like to get a video, you'll have like slash stream and slash the ID of that video. You need to choose the protocols like REST for simplicity or gRPC for low latency, for example. Clear interfaces equals fewer integration headaches. 6, scalability and performance. Horizontal scaling, you can add more servers, caching, Redis for hot data, or maybe to improve the performance of the system to reduce the latency. CDNs for static assets to cache the assets like images, scripts near to the location to the user. Cache user profiles to reduce database hits by 80%. This is where you wow interviews with the optimization skills. 7, reliability and resiliency. Avoid single point of failure. For an e-commerce platform, active database replication. If one server dies, traffic reroutes, and maybe you have like circuit breakers, stop cascading failures. Always ask what happens if X fails. Show you're prepared for the worst. And that's it. Master these 7 steps. You will walk into system design interviews with confidence. It's not easy to master them. It takes practice, studying, and patience. Okay, if this video helped you, smash the like, subscribe, and share it with a friend preparing for interviews. Drop question in the comment section below, and see you in future videos.